Rolex is a world-renowned luxury watch brand, known for its exceptional quality, elegant design, and technological innovation. The history of Rolex began in 1905 when Hans Wilsdorf and Alfred Davis founded the company in London. Wilsdorf had a clear vision: to create a precise and reliable wristwatch that could be worn anywhere and in any situation. Rolex quickly became known for its excellence in design and manufacturing. In 1926, the company launched the Oyster, the world's first waterproof and dust-proof watch. This was a milestone in the history of watchmaking and helped establish Rolex's reputation as an innovative and leading brand in its field. Over the years, Rolex has continued to innovate and develop new products. In 1953, the company launched the Submariner, the first professional diving watch. This watch has become an icon of the brand and is worn by divers worldwide. Rolex is also known for its association with sports and adventure. The brand is the official sponsor of many sporting events, including tennis, golf, and Formula One. Rolex is also worn by explorers and adventurers around the world. Today, Rolex is one of the most valuable and respected watch brands in the world. The company continues to innovate and develop new products, maintaining its tradition of excellence and quality. Rolex is a symbol of luxury, prestige, and success, and is worn by people all over the world. The history of Rolex is a story of innovation, excellence, and passion. The company continues to be a leading force in the watch industry, and its brand is synonymous with quality and style. The history of Rolex is closely linked to the visionary spirit of its founder, Hans Wilsdorf. In 1905, at the age of 24, Hans Wilsdorf founded a company in London specializing in the distribution of watches. Wilsdorf already foresaw the advantages of wearing a watch on the wrist. Even knowing that the accuracy of these watches needed to be improved, Hans Wilsdorf was certain that they could become not only elegant but also reliable.